The lights are on and the stage is set for the next music sensation. Who will be the next idol? Watch the live performances of Nigerian Idol every Sunday and you get to decide by voting for your favorite contestant. You can vote via SMS, website, mobile site, or by using the My DSTV or My GoTV app with no stress. To vote by SMS, send your favorite contestant's number to 32053. Each SMS costs 30 naira. To vote via website or mobile site, simply visit africamagic.tv/Nigerian Idol. Click on Vote, register, then enter your details and a password of your choice. It's easy and it's free. You can also get a Woof vote for your favorite Nigerian Idol contestant. All you have to do is download the My DSTV or My GoTV app and you get more voting power at your fingertips. Visit the website for more information. Voting opens on Sunday and ends on Wednesday. Remember, vote your favorite each week and you get to decide this year's Nigerian Idol. Let music move you.